This week, I'm going to be showing you how to clean your exterior windows and add some protection while at it with Optimum Opti-Glass Clean and Protect.
Optimum tip of the week.
So, you want to clean your glass, but you want to leave protection as well. That's when you pick up a bottle of Optimum Opti-Glass Clean and Protect. The Optimum Opti-Glass Clean and Protect will clean the windshield and your outside exterior windows, and it'll leave protection. How awesome is that? Plus, if you have Opti-Glass Pro in your vehicle that's been applied by one of our authorized installers, this is the maintenance product for that product and will help the hydrophobic properties last longer. So, to use Optimum Opti-Glass Clean and Protect, you simply just want to spray it onto the glass surface. You want to use a nice, clean, dry, low-nap microfiber towel. Spread the product over the glass surface, and then simply flip to a dry side and buff it dry. Another thing to note about Optimum Opti-Glass Clean and Protect is that it can only be used on exterior windows. This is not made to be used on interior windows, so keep that in mind while you're using it. Opti-Glass Clean and Protect! So there you have it, a quick and easy way to clean your vehicle's exterior glass and add some protection while at it. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and remember to hit the little notification bell so you can be notified when Opti-Coat has more content coming your way.
Optimum tip of the week.